Hi everyone. In this video we're going to pair up our edges. We have our centers all done, yellow, white, and then we have blue, red, green, and orange. So what I want to do is pair up my centers here. Now I'm going to look at this. I always look at my left side here, the top. So I have green and orange. I mean, not green and orange, orange and yellow. So let's find the other orange and yellow. And I look around to try, there it is. So I'm going to bring it up here, and there it is. So there's this piece needs to be paired with this piece. And if you notice up here, these can be broken up. So what you do is you do your upper inverse. We're going to do it twice where we have it matched up. But you see how the centers got messed up. So what you do is then you do right, okay, upper, then right inverse, okay, and then you bring it back, your centers back. Okay, now there's our pair right there. So you only want to break up the ones we can break up. Now I look right here, I have green and red. So I try to find the other green and red. So where is it? Green and red, there it is. So what I'm going to do is bring it down here. So there's my green and red, and this green and red need to be paired up. And you want them like one on the top, one on the bottom. I like to keep the part I'm going to break up right here on the right. So what I'm going to do is connect. So I go over upper inverse twice, and I paired them up. Now that moved this piece here. I'm going to go right, upper, right inverse, and now that can split up because that we want it to split up anyway. And now we've got our centers back, and there was my green and red right there. Okay, so we have our orange and yellow and our green and red. We still have two more we can break up here. I'm going to look for green and white. Where is green and white? That's not it. That's not it. Where is green and white? Is that it? There's green and white. So do you see how they're at the top here? Both the top. So what I'm going to do is bring it, I'm going to do right twice. Now there's my green and white, and there's my green and white. I can't split this up. That's already together, so I want to split these two up. So I'm going to connect it. I only have to go over a U inverse once. Okay, I do right, upper, bring it back down. This cube gets stuck. And then bring it back once. Just keep putting getting your centers back. Now look at this top. It looks like all of this is matched. So we still have a lot of edges to go. So I just usually turn it over. When I turn it over, I have a lot I can undo. So now I have, on my left, I have blue and orange. So try to find blue and orange. There's blue and orange. Now usually we've been going this way. Now in this case I can go this way because you're just trying to connect it. I can do left inverse. This one I can break up, so move it. You do an upper, bring it down, so that's left, and then connect back to your centers. And there it is. Now I have blue and red, so let's try to find blue and red. Where is that blue and red? Nope. probably see it faster than I do. Where's blue and red? These are hard to find. It might be up here somewhere. Blue. Nope, blue. There it is. So it's right. These two match up like this. So what I'm going to do is just move my back inverse twice over here. So I'm going to blue and red. And so it's like we did at the very beginning. So this should be at the top with its red and blue. This at the bottom where it's red and blue this way. I can break this piece up. So I go over to connect it and pair it up. I do right, upper, right inverse, and then go back to your original centers, which is 2 over here. Okay, and there's my blue and red right there. Okay, now I have white and orange. So basically, I see my white and orange here. I go and I just pull it down here. So there's your white and orange here, white and orange here. So I connect it. And I can break that up. So I'm going to do right, upper, right inverse, and go back to your centers. Okay, I'm going to go a little faster. White and red. So I got to find its pair. There it is. So it's already set up for us. Do we have a place at the top to break up? I don't. So what I'm going to do is I can break this piece up. So I'm going to move it at the top by moving that up, moving it over, and bringing this back down. Because I don't want to break up something. I don't want to break this up because I already got that together. Now I'm going to move that right here and connect to my white and red. Okay, go right, upper, right inverse, go back to your centers, and there we go. Now we have green and orange is right here, but nothing at the top to break up. So I'm going to try to find another piece I can break up. I can break these two up. So what I'm going to do with these two is bring those up. Or I can break that one up too. So I'll just bring that one up and move it to the side there. That way when I connect green and orange, I have something to break up. Alright, now I have blue and white. Blue and yellow. So where's blue and yellow? Blue and yellow. It's right here. It's blue and yellow. It's right here. Okay, so I have blue and yellow over here, but nothing at the top to break up. So I can break these two up. So I'm going to pull this up and move it out of the way so I can move this back down because I want this piece right here. So I'm going to show you a little bit different way. I'm going to connect it, but usually we go up this way. You could also go up this way and connect it that way. It's just a different way, so you don't have to keep moving the upper so much. Now, let's see. Do I have everything paired up? Yes. Okay. There's a situation that arises when it's not. You don't have a part to split up, an edge to break up, and I'll show you that in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.